Across America, carefully managed pig farms supply safe, consistent food. Biosecurity measures help protect herd health from the very start. Ventilation, nutrition, and welfare are monitored continuously for pig growth and comfort.
We schedule market weight loads when pigs meet target body condition scores.
With veterinary clearance, pigs are transported under low-stress conditions to the plant. At the plant, welfare and food safety drive every pig processing step.
Each pig lot is fully traceable from arrival through canning.
Pigs rest in lairage to reduce stress prior to processing. Veterinary checks confirm pigs are fit for humane processing.
Low-stress movement improves pig welfare and final meat quality.
A controlled stunning system ensures humane rendering before pig processing continues.
Water temperature and dwell time are tightly controlled for proper pig scalding.
Mechanical dehairing removes pig hair efficiently before singing and polishing.
We verify surface cleanability before evisceration of pigs.
Organs and pig carcasses are segregated to prevent cross-contamination.
Inspectors verify each pig lot meets federal standards.
Automated grading routes pig halves to appropriate chilling zones.
Rapid chilling stabilizes pig meat quality, texture, and shelf life.
We record continuous temperature curves for each pig lot to prove compliance.
Cut-resistant gear and tool sterilizers support safe pig deboning.
Primal cuts from pigs are separated with precision to maximize yield.
Low grind temperatures help protect pig meat texture.
Ingredients are dosed automatically for repeatable flavor and safety in pig formulations. Lean and fat from pigs are batched to precise recipes for canned products. Computer vision validates lean points for pig formulations downstream. High shear systems create uniform textures for select pig-based recipes.
We verify pH and salt targets on pig batches before thermal steps.
Marination tools disperse cure evenly in pig cuts. Hygiene burials separate raw pig areas from post-lethality zones.
Any anomaly in pig product triggers automatic diversion for rework.
Further safeguards ensure physical hazards are removed from pig products.
Hazard analyses define critical limits for time, temperature, and sanitation in pig processing.
We segregate pig lines and tools to prevent cross-contact.
Automation improves consistency and reduces handling time for pig products. Lot tracking covers every component used in pig formulations. Pig portions are staged and held for the canning phase.
Routine swabs verify sanitation between pig production shifts.
Tool condition and verification are logged each shift on pig lines.
Final washing precedes chilling to remove residual surface debris on pigs.
Behavioral data supports welfare improvements specifically for pigs.
Every pig box carries a clear trace path back to the farm.
Secondary trimming prepares pig meat for uniform canning textures.
Zoning prevents cross-contamination between raw and cooked pig areas.
We validate thermal profiles on pig batches before retorts scale up.
Air showers and gowning uphold hygiene in cooked pig zones.
Staged pig batches must meet spec before entering the filling line.
Spectroscopy validates pig composition in real time.
Interlocks prevent any mid-run changes on pig recipes.
Pig samples are archived to support any future investigations. Rapid chilling protects texture and safety of pig products.
Air filtration reduces airborne contamination risks for pig products.
We certify time temperature against regulatory lethality for pigs.
Glove changes on pig lines are timed and logged.
No pig batch advances without digital reconciliation.
Heat and chemical sterilization cycles are verified on pig tools routinely.
Mechanization limits touch points to protect pig product integrity.
Holding kettles buffer pig product flow to canning.
We reject any variance beyond our tolerance on pig packs.
We balance pig line speeds with chilling capacity and QC holds.
With specifications met, pig product advances to canning.
Clean, inspected cans enter the pig filling line.
Fill weights are monitored can by can on the pig line.
A final release authorizes pig canning to begin.
Seam integrity is critical to shelf stability for canned pig products. Time, temperature profiles are recorded for every pig retort load.
We verify internal can temperatures before releasing pig lots.
We target F0 values to ensure commercial sterility of pig cans.
Clear coating enables full traceability for pig products. Random Pigskin samples confirm seams meet specification.
Pallets of pig cans are scanned into the warehouse management system.
From American pig farms to your shelf, technology and people deliver safe, consistent food.